Hello students, you are most welcome for today's class. So yesterday you saw that we learned something about this circle. What is its radius? What is its diameter? What is circumference of the circle? What is the area of the circle? And we did some problems based on finding area of the circle or circumference of the circle and so on. So in the same way, today we will discuss some more problem. So we are studying now areas areas related to circle. Areas related to circle. So the problem is the outer circumference of a circular track is 528 meter. So I am using R.D. Sharma's book, and which is based on the NCERT 10th class. So the problem is the outer circumference of a circular track is 528 meter. The track is everywhere 14 meter wide. Calculate the cost of leveling the track at the rate of the 50 paise per square meter. There is a circular track. So let's say this is a circular track. Okay, this is the circular track. The outer circumference of a circular track is 528 meter. Circumference 528 meter. It is given. The track is everywhere 14 meter wide, and the length or width of the track is 14 meter. Okay, 14 meter. Calculate the cost of traveling the track at the rate of 50 paise per square meter. See, now here it is given that the cost of leveling the track is at is 50 paise per square meter. Okay, so the cost of leveling the track for 1 square meter is 50 paise. So it means in order to find out the cost of leveling, we have to find out the area covered by the track. Okay, so we have to find out this area in square meter, and then we can multiply with the 50 paise. Since for 1 square meter the area the cost of leveling is 50 paise. Okay, so what we will find the area, we will multiply by 50 in that area in order to find out the cost of leveling. So let us do that. So circumference, outer circumference is 528 meter. So if we suppose that this is R, capital R, the radius is capital R, then this will be okay. If you want to write, then you can write. Let R be the radius of the outer circle, capital R, and small r is the radius of the inner circle. So how can we find the area of the circular track? we have to find the area of the inner circle and then outer circle, and if we subtract the area of inner circle from the outer circles, then we will get this area. So that will be the area of the circular track or path, and then we will multiply by 50 paise. So we will get the overall cost of this circular track. Okay, so according to figure 2 pi capital R, because the outer circumference is 528 meter. Okay, so this is 528 meter. So pi R will be 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 6 the 12, and 2 4 the 8. So R will be 264 divided by 22 by 7. So 22 1 the 22, 4 will be here, so 44, 22 to the 44. Okay, and this is 7. Sorry, this is 12, and this 7 will go up. Because we can assume like this, 12 by 1 by 1 by 7. So this will be 12 by 1 into 7 by 1. So this is 12 into 7. I am not multiplying this. It will be easy in the calculation. Okay, or you can multiply, no issue. 84. This will be in meter. So the capital radius is 84 meter. Since then what will be the radius of the inner circle? See, from here to here, this is 84 meter, but from here to here it is given 14 meter. So we have to find out this distance only. So this will be, therefore R equal to 84 minus 14. So this will be 70 meter. Okay, so now we found the capital R and small r. Therefore area of the track, what will be the area of the track? This is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. If you take pi outside, then it will be like this, or you can write like this. So this will be the area of the circular track. So I am going to use directly this. Okay, so pi capital R plus small r, capital R minus small r. Okay, this is 22 by 7. Now see, capital R is 84 plus small r is 70, and this 84 minus 70. Okay, so 22 by 7. Now add this 4, 8 and 7, 15. Okay, and this will be 14. So 7 2 ja 14. This will be 22 into 154 into 2. So now multiply this. That will be 22 2 ja 44. So this is 6776 square meter. Okay. So the area of the track is this much, 6776 meter square meter. Okay. Since cost of leveling 1 square kilometer or meter, square meter. Since cost of leveling 1 square meter or 1 square meter, you can write like this, equal to 50 paise, and therefore cost of leveling of this much 6776 square meter. Since for 1 square meter it is 50 paise, so for this it will be multiplied by this 50 paise. So 6776 into 50 paise. Okay. Now you can multiply this, and if you want, you since this quantity will be very big, so you can convert it into rupees by dividing 100 paise. Okay. So this will be your answer. This is left for you. Okay. Do it. So we will move for the next question. A circle of radius 7.5 centimeter is inscribed in a square. Inscribed in a square means the square is constructed in a square. Okay. So let's say this is the square. Okay. So and this is a circle. This is a circle. Okay. A circle of radius 7.5 is inscribed in a square. Find the area outside the circle and inside the square. We have to find out the area outside the circle and inside the square. So what are those areas? Those areas are these four corners. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So how we can find that area? So this is a square, so we can find out the area of the square, and this is a circle. So if we can find the area of the circle, then in order to find out the area of this remaining part, we have to subtract the area of the circle from the area of the square. Okay, so something is given here. Radius of the circle is given. This is 7.5 meter. Okay, this is given. Radius of the circle is given 7.5 meter. So we have to find the area of the remaining part. Area of the outer of the circle and inner of the square. So now see, the diameter will be 7.5 meter, and since this is a square, so this will be the length of the side of the square. This will be equal to this, and this also. And since it is a square, so every side will be equal. So the side will be 7.5 plus 7.5 means this will be 15. Okay, so this is 15.0. Area of the square, side of the square, length of the side of the square. So therefore, okay, you please write down. Let ABCD is a square and the inscribed circle has center O. Okay, since the side of the square will be equal to the diameter of the circle, therefore side of the square AB equal to 2R, that is 2 into R. R is 7.5. So this will be 15.0. Okay, the unit is in centimeter. This is in centimeter. Okay, therefore required area this will be area of square ABCD minus area of circle. So what is the area of square? This is 15 whole square minus area of the circle. This is pi and R square. R is 7.5. Okay, so this will be 225 minus 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 2 12, 1 1 are 1 and 1 2. So the square of 15 will be 225. Use here 22 by 7, 7.5 into 7.5. Okay, or we can do one more thing. In order to make this calculation easy, instead of writing this 7.5 here, we can write 15 by 2 in order to make this calculation easy. Okay, so let's forget about this. So square of 15 will be outside. So here we will get 1 minus pi by 4. Okay, and this will be now 225. This will be 4 minus pi by 4. So now use the value of pi. It is given that you have to use 22 by 7. No, it's not given here. Okay, so you can use any value. 225, 4 minus 3.14 divided by 4. Now you subtract this and then divide by 4, and then what will be the remainder here? You have to multiply with 225. So that will give you the area in the square centimeter. So the area will be in square centimeter. You can write like this or like this. Okay, so let's move for the next question. Okay, 12 and 13 I am leaving for you because hint is given for this. I can explain 14, but you have to do this 14, 15. Okay, a square of diagonal 8 centimeter is inscribed in a circle. Find the area of the region lying inside the circle and outside the square. This is the reverse case of this. In the previous question we saw a circle was inscribed in a square. Now the situation is reverse. Now here a square is inscribed in the circle. Okay, and its diagonal is given. So diagonal is given means this will be the half of this diagonal will be the radius of the circle. So you know now radius of the circle. Okay, and this diagonal is known. So you can find out the side of this square. Okay, and then you solve it. How will you solve this? The diagonal is given here. The diagonal is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. This complete length 8 centimeter. Now if this is A and this is A, so A square plus A square will be 64. 2A square will be 64. So A square will be 32. Therefore A will be under root 32. So you can solve this. Okay. So what will be the required area in this case? Find the area of the region lying inside the circle and outside the square. So we have to find out this area. So same thing we have to use here. This area will be equal to area of circle minus area of square. It is that simple, just like in previous case we did. Okay, so you have to do this. Now you can try 15 at your own risk, because it is similar to the previous question. In the 9 we have did this. '16 is also we have We have solved a problem like this. A path of width 3.5 meter runs around a semicircular grassy plot. Okay. So now here it is given that this is a semicircular grassy plot. Okay. Semicircular grassy plot whose circumference is 163 by 3 whole 3 by 7. So this circumference is given here, 163 3 by 7. Okay. Now this is given. So if we assume that this area, this radiuses are, then here this value will be equal to pi r, not 2 pi r, because this is semicircle. So circumference of semicircle what will be? 2 pi r, that is pi r only. So with the help of this you can find out the radius of the inner circle. And since this road, this path is 4 meter wide, so everywhere it is 4 meter. So the outer radius will be sum of these two, sum of inner radius plus 4. And then you can find out the area of the path. The area of the path will be the area of the outer semicircle and the area of the inner semicircle. Okay. Then you can solve it. And then you can find out the cost of leveling. So let us move at the next question. A path of width 3.5 meter runs around a semicircular grassy plot. So this is again a grassy plot kind of question. So this is similar to the previous one, 15. So I am leaving for you. Now find the area enclosed between two concentric circles of radii 3.5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. There are two concentric circles. I discussed in the previous class what are the concentric circles. Concentric circles means the circle with same center. Okay, the circle with same center. So the center of the circle will be same. So find the area enclosed between the two concentric circles of radii 3.5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So this radius is 3.5 centimeter and this radius is 7 centimeter. So then we have to find the area between enclosed circles. So this is the area between enclosed circles. Okay. So everything is given here. You can find out this. And now another information is given. A third concentric circle is drawn outside the 7 centimeter circle. So this is 7 centimeter circle, and out of this another circle is drawn. Okay. such that the area enclosed between it and the 7 centimeter circle is same as the that between the two inner circles. So it is saying that this area and this area both are same. Then we have to find out the radius of the outer circle. Okay, so since we have find out this area, so we can equate it with the area of this circular region. So how we can find that? So let's say this is the r from here to here. Since we don't know the width of this path now, so we can assume this is r. So therefore the radius will be 7 plus r. Okay, this the radius will be 7 plus r. Then this area will be pi 7 plus r square minus pi 7 square, and this is equal to the area what we have find out in the earlier case. Okay, so this is pi 7 square minus this pi, this 3 by 5 we can write like 7 by 2, this one. Okay, now you solve this, you will find the radius of the circle. So the next question is, see question number 18. An archery target has 3 regions found by the 3 concentric circles as shown in figure 13.10. If the diameters of the concentric circles are in the ratio 1:2:3, then find the ratio of the areas of 3 regions. Then find the ratio of the areas of 3 regions. We have to find out the ratio between areas of 3 regions. So the first region is this, second region is this, and the third region is this. Okay, so let the diameters are in this ratio now. So we can find out the radius of the 3 concentric circles by letting in the given proportion. So let the diameter of the circles are x, 2x and 3x. Therefore radius will be r1 x by 2 and r2 2x by 2 and r3 3x by 2. Okay, so now using this r1, r2 and r3, you have to find out the ratio between the regions, areas of 3 regions. Okay, this is one region, this is second region, and this is third region. So in this case the area will be full circle. In this case the area will be area of this circle minus area of this circle, and in this case the area will be area, this region will be area of this circle minus area of this circle. and then you can find out the ratio. Okay. I forgot to tell you one more question. A circular park is surrounded by a road, by a road 21-meter wide. If the radius of the park is if the radius of the park is 105 meter, find the area of the road. Find the area of the road. So we have given a circular park is surrounded by a road, by a road 21-meter wide. Okay. So here is a park, and this park is surrounded this park is surrounded. What happened to the markers? This park is surrounded by a road 21-meter wide. So everywhere this is 21 meter. This is also 20 meter, 21 meter. This is also. If the radius of the park is 105 meter, so if we draw a center here, so this length, radius of the park 105 meter. Okay, this is 105 meter. Then find the area of the road. So we have solved many questions like this. So this is given. Since this is 21 meter wide, so this distance will be 21 meter. So the outer radius will be 105 plus 21. Okay, 105 plus 21. Outer radius will be this, and inner radius is this. Then the area of the circular park is surrounded by a road. So area of the road will be this pi r square minus small pi r square, r plus r and r minus r. Use this and put the value here and then compute it. You will find the answer. Okay. So these are some few questions on areas related to the circle. So now this is a very important concept in mathematics, basically at the level of 10th standard. Okay, this is asked in any kind of competitive exams like your JEE or whatever it is, or if you are going to attend some competition for the job, then you will see 2 to 3 problem will be from circle. So in this sequence, next we will study the sectors, circle, and we will do some related problem. Thank you.